Installing your Platinum or Millenia with ISOFIX, rear facing. This car seat is suitable from birth to approximately 4 years. The following video demonstrates rear facing use. Use this car seat rear facing until your child's shoulders have reached the lower or middle shoulder height marker. Your restraint is equipped with ISOFIX but can be installed using a vehicle seatbelt. Before installing with ISOFIX, check your vehicle for ISOFIX anchorage points. With your seat forward facing or upright, remove your ISOFIX connectors from the seat storage compartments. Repeat on both sides. Later, if you decide to use this seat with vehicle seatbelt installation, you can store your ISOFIX connectors in these compartments. Convert your seat into rear-facing position. Lift the recline latch and press the rear-facing latch at the same time. Locate the stabilizing bar. Pull out and gently push back towards the seat until you hear a click. Fully lengthen the ISOFIX connector strap. Repeat on both sides. Locate the ISOFIX anchorages on your vehicle seat. Place your seat between the ISOFIX anchorage locations. Engage the connector with the ISOFIX anchorage. You will feel a click and the indicator will display green when engaged. Remove the slack and repeat on the other side. Push down on the side of the seat and pull the connector strap to tighten. The tension indicators will show green when adequately tightened. Repeat on the other side. Extend your top tether strap. Connect your tether strap to the vehicle anchor point. Depending on the vehicle and seat configuration, you may require an extension strap. Tighten the adjustable strap, but leave loose enough so you can place your baby into the seat. You will remove the remaining slack after your baby has been harnessed. The shoulder straps of your seat must be in a position nearest your child's shoulders, but not lower than their shoulders. Infant cushions provide support and protection for a younger baby. Remove the cushion to create more room as your child grows. Prepare the harness for your baby. Grasp both shoulder straps and push the harness adjuster button. Fully extend the harness straps. To adjust the headrest, pull the Easy Adjust lever and raise the headrest. Open the harness and place the baby into the seat and adjust the shoulder straps to a position nearest your child's shoulders, but not lower than their shoulders. Place each arm through the shoulder strap of the harness. Pull the crotch strap and buckle up between the legs of your child. Fit either of the harness buckle tongues. You will hear a click when both tongues are fully engaged. Remove the slack from the lap straps and pull the adjuster strap to remove excess slack. Tighten the adjustable strap. It is important not to over-tighten or the base will lift off the vehicle seat. Store the excess strap in the pocket. Now you are ready to travel safely.